Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. We're almost to Nuku Hiva is where we're going today. So, there it is. Beautiful sunrise. It's gonna be a good day. Beyond. And beyond. Boy, it's bright. My goodness. Woo! It's a wonderful day here in Nuku Hiva, and we explored the museum. It was very interesting. Her and her husband came here and built the big hotel, and there's a chicken.
Raptor chicken.
No.
I was excited. I thought it was the air conditioning
There's a
bus.
chickens. There's a bunch of chickens in there.
There's a bunch of chickies.
It's kind of hot. I'm gonna say it's pushing 90.
Easy.
Easy.
Plus humidity. Yeah.
Yep. Makes it pretty rough.
Polynesia view.
Look at these things. Wonderful trip ashore. Now we're gonna head back to the boat. Here's a walk down the hallway of our stateroom. I'm gonna keep going forward.
Sure.
So on deck 6 we also have the fitness center. people fitnessing.
Are they fitnessing right now?
They're fitnessing. And the spa.
We may have to get massages.
We're gonna have to spa. It's 10:30. Not lunchtime yet.
It's the French restaurant on board. Reservation made.
Grand Salon. We take a tour of the Grand Salon. So tonight's show is the cruise show. Wow. I don't know. They have shows pretty late. So we almost have the ship to ourselves. Everyone's on shore during shore excursions. Here's the casino. Yeah.
Blackjack tournaments every night.
Yeah. Haven't signed up for that one yet. Casino. And one of our favorite spots. The piano bar.
The piano bar's been fun.
Yeah. Wonderful atmosphere. Come here, play trivia.
Yeah, trivia every night, different categories. There's piano guy.
And look at this. They even have GoPro stuff if you lose something or need something or don't have something. How wonderful is that?
Internet cafe.
Internet cafe. That's what's on. This is our view. An amazing sailboat over there. It's huge. Went to shore this morning, walked around a bit, just stunning.
So that gentleman in I swear
Nice evening on the pool deck.
this winter is a stoplight.
And with our cruise director, that's Denny. And what's her name?
Guile.
Guile.
Her name is Guile.
She's the cruise director.
Yeah.
We're on deck 9. There's a bar up here. Oh my. It's only open during sea days. Actually,
Tomorrow.
we should go get the cards. We could sit up here tonight and play cards. It sure is beautiful. And we are still in Nuku Hiva.
Nuku Hiva.
No sail away party tonight.
I gotta say though, out of all the islands in the Marquesas, I think my favorite is Hiva, the one that we went to yesterday.
Yeah, I like that one. It was very quaint, very well kept.
It was very quaint.
Or it was just well kept isn't a good word. They just took super pride in their community. Should we go? no sunset tonight because the sun is already setting behind the island. So no sundowners. Well, okay, no, the sun's not gonna set. It's gonna stay up there until we can actually watch it happen.
Yeah, it doesn't happen if you don't see it. If no pictures are not.
Yep, if a tree falls in the forest, does it actually fall?
No. Not until you're trying to go across the trail and it's
Uh-huh.
in the way.
Ah, tonight's dinner. This is the ahi we rode in on the boat with from the village. Yum. Oh. It's nighttime.
It's nighttime.
We are beyond Alaska for sure. Had to get a shot of the full moon. Kind of a different atmosphere out there, but it's a lot warmer.
Put on some speed.